Sige nga. Tama bang ginagawa mo? Asan ka paras ng ball? Very good. Next, umbrella. Very good, Macy. Okay. Yan, meron kang bag. Meron kang cap. Meron kang ball. Meron kang umbrella. Yan, very good.
Backpack.
Backpack. And then next, what's that? Cap.
Cup. Bowl. Umbrella.
Umbrella. What number is this?
One.
1. Very good. Oh. I-trace ang numerong nasa ibaba gamit ang iyong kulay pulang Crayola. Where's your color pencil? Color red. Red. Here. Oh. Ilaline mo daw yan using your red color.
Red button.
Yes, iti-trace mo daw. Ayusin mo para makita yung color. How about the others? Do the same. Yan. Okay. Next.
There.
Next. Last. Very good.